Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la.
It's the Great Cookie Exchange Show coming up Friday. Our live studio audience will gather on Friday with their cookies. I made mine yesterday. Okay, so I had a hand in making them. Okay, so I went to the store to get this stuff. All right? Are there still seats available for Friday's show? Yes? Oh, get in on it. You need 5 dozen cookies. That's it. Get on the phone number or the email address and be a part of the Cookie Exchange Show. Now we're going to exchange some ideas on how to save money. I want to welcome Glenn Lucas from Property Tax Review Services. Morning, Glenn.
Morning.
And Ryan Grassie is here, a product manager with Assess Your Assessment. Is the name of the software, is that correct?
That's right, that's the website.
That's the website. You can have a look at your property tax assessment and maybe save some money?
That's correct. Approximately 400 people a day now are using the site to review their assessment.
Is that right?
That's right.
In Ontario?
In Ontario.
Oh, wow. Now, and you want to do it before the end of the year, right? You want to do this before December 31st.
You want to do it before December 31st. If you do it before December 31st and you do get a reduction, that reduction will be effective going back to January 1st of this year. So you get the full benefit of the year. If you do it January 1st, 2008, you'll only get the benefit of the 2008 taxation year.
Ryan, is the website easy to use for people?
It's very easy to use. Doesn't cost you a thing to try it out.
Yeah.
Any residential address in Ontario can try it out. Just like this, right on the website. For example,
you just type in your address?
Just type in your address. Yeah. Just the first letter of your postal code.
Right. And it'll find your house?
It should find it. It'll bring up a list.
Right.
Click on your address.
Yeah. Then you give your name.
Put in your name.
Right. And away you go. Simple as that.
Just like that.
Yeah. Now you mentioned it's free, Glenn. First off, it's free to try it, right? Till you get to a certain stage in the process?
That's right. It's free to try it. The site will tell you whether or not that you are overassessed. If you're overassessed, then you can continue on. But to find that part out is free.
Okay.
Just like this.
Just like that. That's what pops up.
Yep.
It'll tell this person, for example, that they are paying $466 more every year on property taxes than they should be?
Yes.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Then what happens? What happens after you get to this point?
If you want to go ahead with it,
yeah.
What we'll do is here's some of the evidence that we've actually compiled to prove that your home has been overassessed. There's
the information that you need to bring to the tax assessment department?
Exactly, and it's not actually shown here, but once you go ahead with the payment, it's a one-time payment based on your estimated tax savings.
Okay. A percentage of then?
Yeah, then our professionals will prepare your case for you, and you can send it in MPAC.
Just like that?
Yeah, the results are emailed to you. You print those off, fax them off to MPAC. It takes 5 minutes to go through the entire process.
Well, why wouldn't you do this, right? So it'll cost you a certain percentage of what you've overpaid then?
Yeah, it can cost you anywhere from a low of $60 to a high of $200 to go through the whole process and submit the application to MPAC.
Right. So, I mean, if you're paying $200, though, that means you've been overassessed by a lot and you're going to save some more money.
That's right. And furthermore, we have a guarantee that if you do not save the tax dollars that we've indicated,
right,
or you don't have a savings, we will refund your fee.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, now how do you go about getting your money back, or is it knocked off your taxes the next year, or how does that happen?
If it's submitted before December 31st of this year, since you've already paid your taxes, if it gets reduced, you'll get a check in the mail from your municipality, and then it'll be carried on to the next year, so you'll have savings for next year.
Wow. That's a cool idea. And how long have you guys been doing this? Because it's not brand new, is it?
It's not been brand new. I've been doing it for 25 years, but the system's been up now for about 2 years.
Yeah.
And it's been refined throughout that 2-year period to the point that it's pretty good now.
Yeah. Now, there's all kinds of information. I went to the website, Assess Your Assessment, right?
AssessYourAssessment.com
is the website. You just go there, and then it'll take you right through the process. As Ryan explained, it's not that difficult.
Anybody can do it at all. The system was designed for me.
Yes.
And if I could do it, anybody could do it.
That's right. You and I had a conversation about computers. It was a short one.
That's right.
Well, gentlemen, I want to thank you for coming in and letting people know about this. But again, a good idea to get that done, to have a look at it before the end of the year.
Before December 31st, absolutely.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
To us.
That's right.
Hey, we're saving money on your tax assessment. We'll be back with more Hour 2 of 8 Channel Morning coming up right after this. I can't believe how
Battle of Austerlitz.